Oh, what a ball that was. What a ball.
All went for the caught behind shout. Bowler didn't look too aggressive, but what a delivery. Missing the outside edge.
Miscued. Yeah, that's a more solid.
Like a Michael Hussey. Oh, that's close enough to call given. He was walking Ricky Pakistan this morning. 4th wicket down.
Well, Ricky Ponting will need someone else to clear up this mess now. He's thrust that front pad down the pitch. He's off balance here. It's hit him right in front of middle stump. Would have hit leg stump. That finger came up ever so quickly.